This is Mission Control. On July 20th, 1969, we made history. A group of young people, the average age was 28 years old, came together to land the first man on the moon and bring him safely home. I believe that this was the greatest engineering feat of the 20th century. This is where it happened, nearly 50 years ago.
History is a really difficult thing. It's fragile and it slips away from you. And we're trying to preserve the history in this room.
When they see this room and what was accomplished and understand what was accomplished in this room, I think it would spur the young kids of the future to get into the STEM program and have more pride in their country.
We invite you to be a part of this remarkable history.